A very good morning, students. Today we will see the history subject and we are going to continue the lesson number 5, religious trends in ancient India. In previous video, we have seen that where was Vardhaman Mahavir born, why he left his home with all his comfort, and why he went for the rigorous tapa for years, and what knowledge he had given to the people in his teaching we have seen in the previous video. And what were the essence of his teaching for his good conduct that are contained in the great 5 vows. The vows are Panchamahavratas and the 3 jewel, that is the 3 Ratnas. So we will see in that. Jainism. So in this Jainism there are 5 great vows. Okay, today we are going to see this. First one is that Ahimsa means non-violence, Satya truthfulness, Asatya non-stealing, Aparigraha non-possession, and Brahmacharya, that is chastity. So the Panchamahavratas, Ahimsa non-violence, Satya truth, Asatya non-stealing, Aparigraha non-attachment, Brahmacharya chastity. So all these points we are going to see in this chapter. So one by one let's see. The Panchamahavratas, the 5 great vows, these are 5 rules to be followed strictly. Now in this teaching it was being said that whatever the 5 great vows are there, they should be followed very strictly. Now which are they? First one is Ahimsa. What do you mean by Ahimsa, students? That is non-violence. No living being should be hurt, injured or harmed through one's behavior. So in Ahimsa what it was? There should be non-violence. That no living being should be hurt or injured. And nobody should harm the one's behavior. This was in the Ahimsa. Next one was Satya, that is truth. The word Satya itself says the truth. Every speech and action should be true. So whatever speech you are giving, that should be very true and the action also should be very true. Asatya, non-stealing. Asatya means theft. Taking what belongs to others without their consent is theft or stealing. Asatya means not stealing anything. Now in this asatya, what it was, students, that we should not steal anybody's thing or property or whichever thing without their consent, without their permission. We should not steal anything. So this was in the asatya, means not to steal anything. Aparigraha, non-attachment. Aparigraha means what, student? Means it is the virtue of non-possessiveness, means non-greediness. Okay. Man tends to accumulate property due to greed. Means some people they take the properties of others due to the greed. And Aparigraha means not hoarding or accumulating anything in this way. Understood? Hoarding means to display or to accumulate anything in this way, means non-attachment. That should be a non-attachment for the property due to the greed. Brahmacharya, that is chastity. Now here chastity means what? It is a quality held by someone that is pure. It means living bodily pleasures and following the vows. Now in this Brahmacharya it was being said that the 5 great vows, that is Ahimsa, Satya, Asatya, Aparigraha and Brahmacharya, they should be followed very strictly and you need to follow these vows. Understand? Next is three Ratnas. Now what is in the three Ratnam is the three jewels. The three jewels. What were they? The three jewels are the principles. Samak means to balance. Let's see the three Ratnas. Three Ratnas. First one is the Samyak Darshan, means right faith. There should be a faith in that. Samyak Jnan means right knowledge. The knowledge should be very right. Samyak Charitra means right to conduct. So let's see one by one. Samyak Darshan means right faith. To understand the truth in the preaching of the Tirthankars and to have a faith in it. Now here means we should understand the truth and whatever the preaching of the Tirthankars. In previous video also we have seen what do you mean by Tirthankar, means a spiritual teacher of the Dharma. It is known as Tirthankar and have a faith in it. Means whatever the preaching of the Tirthankar is there, so you should have a faith in that preaching. Understand student? That is in the Samyak Darshan, means right faith we should have. Samyak Jnan, right knowledge. Studying the preaching and philosophy of Tirthankar regularly and learning its deep meaning. So whatever the preaching of the Tirthankar is that, whatever the philosophy, you should go through it regularly and you should learn it very in a deep way. Understand? So that is the Samyak Jnan, means right knowledge. Samyak Charitra means right conduct. Strictly followed the 5 great vows. Now in this Samyak Charitra, what it has been said that the 5 great vows, we have seen that Ahimsa, Satya, Asatya, Apigra and Brahmacharya. So all these 5 great vows should be followed very strictly. That is the right to conduct, means to follow very strictly. That is in the Samyak Charitra. So 3 jewels, that is 3 Ratna. Have you understood? Now we will see what were the essence of his teaching, means Mahavir Vardhaman's teaching. Among the teaching of Mahavir, Anektamada is considered to be very important in the quest for truth. Now here student, quest means what? Search for something. Understand? A search for something. It means pluralism or multiple viewpoints. In our quest for truth, if we focus on only one or two aspects or viewpoints and draw conclusion, the whole truth is not known. Now what was the essence of teaching? That whichever thing we consider that may be very important for searching the truth. That means to keep our multiple viewpoints. Now in that case, mean to search something for the truth. If we focus only on one or two aspects or the viewpoints and draw conclusion, the whole truth is not known. So whatever things we are taking into conclusion means to end it, means to draw conclusion, to finish. So it will not, the whole world will not able to understand the truth. Therefore, it is necessary to pay attention to all aspects of an issue. So it is very necessary that all the aspects should be seen very clearly. If people follow this, they develop tolerance towards the opinion of others people in society and give up the attitude of stubborn adherence to their own opinion. Now here students, what happened? If people follow this, they develop a tolerance. Now here tolerance means what? Willingness to accept the feelings. If they develop the tolerance and the opinion of the people in society and give up the attitudes of stubborn, here means what student? Showing a determination not to change one's attitude for something, that is stubborn. Adherence to their own opinions. Adherence means what? A commitment to a person, to their own opinions. Vardhaman Mahavir taught the people that the greatness of man does not depend on his varnas. So what was in the teaching of Vardhaman? That he said that the greatness of the man does not depend on his varna, but his excellent conduct, what he conduct, it depend on that. In the Vedic tradition, the doors of knowledge had slowly been closed to women. Now in the Vedic period, what was happened? That it was said that the knowledge was not given to the women. But what Vardhaman Mahavir did? Vardhaman Mahavir gave the right of sannyas, the right of renounce the world. Here renounce means to claim. So what he did? He also gave the knowledge to the women too also. His teaching were, so what were the teaching of Mahavir? We will see. It was love all living things. So what he said, that we should love the all living things, whether it were animals, whether it is human, but we should love all the living things. Have mercy and compassion. Have mercy means what? Have a kindness feeling, and compassion means sympathy or a concern for others. And live and let live. So here it means that that a person should live as he or she choose, and let the people to do the same, means live and let live. So this were the three of this teaching of the Vardhaman Mahavir. Love all living things, have mercy and compassion, and live and let live. So you might have understood this today's topic, the Pancha Mahavratas. So I am going to end this topic here only. Already the PDF, that whole lesson question answers I had given to you. Have a practice on that. Try to practice the brief answers of this lesson also. So I will end this topic here only. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.